Weaving is, in a way, breathing. It's living in a way because we don't stop. When we weave, as if we breathe. Weaving is constant action, constant evolvement, and constant answer and interaction. My name is Kimsooja from Korea. Well, I think maybe because of the space I was given, a cistern that has a component of water and darkness, that naturally made me think of doing a light project. But also, as the space was huge and has different chambers, it just became naturally to experiment all different kinds of light sources and also the light representations. So it became almost like a laboratory of my lighting project that I've been doing so far, and even more experiments which I haven't been trying yet. So I'm very excited to show this as a whole body of work in this incredible water reservoir space. You know, for Westerners, you would say rainbow colors, but equally we have a word called 오방색. O means five, 방 means directionality, and 색 means color in Korean. So 오방색 means five cardinal directional color. Yellow as a center, and the rest, the white to the north, blue east, red south, and green. So this 오방색 color that has five cardinal directionality is also representative of all different kind of characters of the matter, like wood, water, earth, metal, and all these kind of existing air, and also the seasons, and also the taste, sour, sweet, bitter, and so this is in a way Korean and also I guess Ural-Altayan, but also related very much with the Confucianism theory from the Confucianism and Taoism, and some parts from Buddhism also. It was also combined. So it's, I would say, East Asian philosophy that consists of our selves and our fortune and the universe. So that's why I've been always using these color patterns, not because I particularly liked the color itself, but because of the idea and the concept of it. I think weaving is, in a way, breathing. It's living in a way because we don't stop when we weave. When we weave, as if we breathe, So weaving is constant action, constant evolvement, and constant answer and interaction. Weaving seems to be, been done by oneself, but it always indicates the other without having the other, we don't weave. We cannot weave. So I think it's nature of life. As I've been doing many projects in relationship to sewing and weaving or wrapping, all related to textile in a way, those questions have been reached to the point that I call my project with the light using diffraction grating film as weaving the light. Yeah, I think also because it has the invisible structure of the, vertical and horizontal patterns in it, like a textile. But only it shows its structure when the light hits onto it. So the light, in a way, is functioning as a needle, in a way, that weaves the fabric. It's also interesting, the light rays also looks like a needle point, in a way. So I think it's going to be evolved into something else in my practice, because it's another stage of my practice that I define my needlework within really like a three-dimensional perspective. I think it's very interesting, and also it's in a way the archive of lights that I've been working. It's a kind of a laboratory for me, and I feel that it is the moment that my practice become like as a whole.